You can create Facebook monetizable page in 2 minutes. I'm going to be guiding you practical steps on how to create a Facebook monetizable page. Do you want to be a creator on Facebook and you don't know where to start from? I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually successfully create Facebook page that is monetizable. Now, on Facebook, there are several kind of pages or accounts, and all of them are not monetizable. So the one I'm going to be showing you in this video is the one you can actually get monetized with on Facebook. Now, these 4 category kind of accounts, we have what we call profile, we have what we call group accounts, we have what we call professional mode accounts, and we have what we call business page accounts. But the one I'm going to be showing you in 2 minutes is the one you can actually monetize your content on Facebook. So I'm going to be sharing with you these practicals using my mobile phone, because if I'm to use my laptop, you might not have the idea, or maybe you don't have laptop, or you might not be seeing some things I will be showing you. So that's why I'm going to be using the mobile phone, which is recommended, or everybody get to know what to press. So now the first thing you're going to do is go to that profile you want to create your Facebook page from. Okay, go to your profile. So now when you come to your profile, the next thing you're going to do is come to the Facebook profile. Okay, when you come to the Facebook profile, just like this. Now, this is how your Facebook profile will look like. So you're going to see pages. You're going to be seeing what? Pages. And if you cannot see pages like I'm pointing at, you just scroll down and you're going to see more in your own. You're going to see more. So, but since me, I can see pages, I'll click on pages. So when you click on pages, you're going to see create at your top left hand side. Now, if you take a close look at those pages I've already created. I've created several pages using this profile. So which means you can create so many page from your profile account. So go ahead and click on create. Now, when you click on create, they are telling you here, get started with a page. Use the name of your business, brand, or organization, or a name that help explain your page better. Now, do not make mistakes of using wrong name. Use a name. You can see, use a name that's either your nickname or name that people can easily relate with. Okay, so when you are creating a page, the first thing you have to understand is a name. Which name do you want to bear as a brand? So go ahead, click on this place as a page name, and then type the name. For example, now I already have a page, so I can just come here and type Tunde's fans, meaning this page I'm creating it for a fans. For example, now they say, what category best describe Tunde's fans? Now, if you are into selling of products, you can use products. But me now, I'm a content creator. So me, I'm not. So they say here, choose one category to show your page. You can add 2 extra category to improve search results. So me, I'll just go ahead and use digital creator. You can use personal blog or digital creator. Since you are a content creator, then you go ahead and click on create. Okay, so now when you click on this create, it's going to bring you to another interface. Now, this is how the interface will look like. They say finish setting up your page. Success, you have created Tunde's fans. Now add more details to help people connect with you. Here you will need to put a bio. A bio is what people get to see the moment they enter your page. You go ahead, put the bio. Means if you want to be selling products, write what you want to be selling. If you want to be creating content, put everything, the type of content you want to be creating in your bio. Then go ahead and click on next, right? So it's going to bring you here. They say customize your page. Your profile picture is one of the first thing that people see. So go ahead, you can see those icon. I mean, this camera icon you see me pointing at. You put your cover photo, then you put your page photo, and then click on next. So it's going to bring you here. This is telling you now, invite friends, meaning you are creating this page. This is the business page, the recommended page for content creators. So now you can invite your friends from your profile to come follow your page that you have just created. That's why they say grow your presence by inviting your friends. So click on this button and say select all. So I'm going to be inviting almost 1,000 people on my profile to follow this page I'm creating. So I'll click on next. Okay. So now here it says stay informed about your page. Turn on those features to help make the most of Tunde's fans. You can change them at any time. So make sure that this down one that says page notification on your profile, you can turn it on. And if you don't want disturbance, maybe you don't want Facebook to be sending you notification, you can leave it off. But me, I would like it on. Then you go ahead and click on next. Okay. So now when you click on next, it's going to bring you to another interface like this. That which is now switching to Tunde fan, meaning this page now is created. So it's going to bring you to an interface just like this that says edit page, put about you, your website, your promotion, or other, if you have other social media link like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, this is where you will add all of them. You put all of them here. Then after you have done that, you click on done. So it's going to bring you here. Go ahead and just click on skip, again skip. So now this is your, you can see that place is your timeline photo. So click on it. Now you can see I have not put photo, both cover photo and page photo. So I will put them. So in order for you to put them, click on that camera icon. Okay, so select the photo of your choice and then click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, also click on that photo icon, click on choose cover photo. So now click on upload, which is the one you already upload for your page photo. So meaning we are using the same photo for both of them, but you, when it takes you to your gallery, you can choose different photo. So then go ahead and click on save. Now you have just saved it. So now our page Tunde's fans have just been what? Have just been created. If you take a close look, one person is already following me. Meaning when you send that invite, people will get a notification and they will begin to do what? They will begin to follow you. So if you want to be a creator on Facebook, we have what we call profile accounts, which is the first account you create as a user on Facebook. Then we have what we call professional mode account. Professional mode account is the one you turn, that is your profile now, you turn it to a page that you want to be using to create content. You can also end with your professional mode account, but a professional mode account is not that, is very fragile. You can easily get violation. People can easily report you. So that's why I will advise you use business page. Okay. So after we have profile, we have professional mode account. They will now have group page account. Now, group is another account you can create from your profile, whereby your fans can share their content to or support each other. Then we now have a business page. So business page is the one I just show you now how to create. So this business page is the recommended account or page for content creators on Facebook. So meaning if you are looking for a way to become a creator on Facebook, I would advise you to just create a page as I just show you like this, and then begin to post your content. So the moment you hit like 1,000, now before you have to have up to 5,000 followers before you get monetized on Facebook. But now, if your page is doing well at 1,000, Facebook can send you content monetization, meaning you will now begin to earn. All right. Again, you have to make sure that you post your original content. Don't do reactional content on Facebook. Be posting your own original or organic content. So this will enable Facebook to easily recognize you. Again, make sure that you are posting a mixed content. Mixed content means be posting your photos, post your text, post your long form videos, post your short form videos on Facebook. This will help you a lot on Facebook. Then after you have reached like maybe 100 followers and you have exceeded like maybe 2 months or 28 days, I would advise you also go live on Facebook. It will also help you a lot when you go live, because this will enable the system to know that, okay, this account is owned by an individual or a real person. Okay, then after you have put all those things together, make sure you read the Facebook community guidelines so that you will not be having violations on Facebook. Okay, so this is how to create a Facebook monetizable account. So in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. I actually create content around YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and video editing tips, which means my channel is just a go channel for you, because you're going to be learning a lot. Then when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make a video like this, you will always benefit. And if you want me to make any videos for you, also drop it in the comment section and I will make that video for you. All right, thank you.